The world of reality television has followed the remarkable transformation of Tammy Slaton for years, but fans and critics alike were left stunned after her most recent rare public appearance where she looked almost unrecognizable. Known for her struggles with weight, health scares, and deeply personal challenges on TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters, Tammy has become one of the most talked about reality stars of the decade. Yet the spotlight on her journey has never shined brighter than it does now, with her skin removal surgery. Why not only marking a medical milestone but also pushing her into a new phase of life where confidence, health, and self-discovery appear to be taking center stage. The surgery itself was a long-anticipated step in Tammy's battle to reclaim her body and life, as fans recall how doctors warned that her weight and associated conditions posed life-threatening risks. After undergoing bariatric surgery and losing a dramatic amount of weight, the reality star finally qualified for skin removal procedures to address the excess skin left behind, which often causes pain, infections, and limits mobility. Now that the procedure is behind her, Tammy's transformation is so dramatic that many longtime fans admitted they hardly recognized her in recent candid photos and clips circulating online. Social media exploded with reactions ranging from awe to heartfelt admiration as viewers praised her resilience and courage, with hashtags like #TeamTammy trending on multiple platforms. For years Tammy has been portrayed as the most stubborn of the Slaton sisters, battling food addiction, frustration with medical staff, and even strained relationships with her siblings Amy, Chris, and Amanda. Her storyline often left audiences wondering whether she would ever be able to overcome the obstacles holding her back, especially when health crises and hospitalizations became recurring moments on the show. Yet her public debut after skin removal surgery revealed a very different woman, one whose smile seemed brighter, whose posture looked straighter, and whose overall demeanor appeared lighter both physically and emotionally. The transformation is not just cosmetic, it represents years of painful but necessary change. According to sources close to Tammy, her recovery process wasn't easy. Skin removal surgery is a serious procedure that can take months of healing, and for someone like Tammy, who has endured a lifetime of health issues, the risks were high. Doctors had to monitor her carefully, ensuring that her body was strong enough to withstand the physical demands of such an operation. Reports suggest Tammy committed fully to her recovery plan, incorporating better eating habits, light physical therapy, and mental health support into her daily routine. The results are clear to anyone who has seen the latest images. Wearing casual but fitted clothes that highlighted her slimmer figure, Tammy looked worlds away from the woman who once relied on an oxygen tube and a wheelchair to make even short trips. Fans pointed out that her confidence shined in her choice of wardrobe and how she carried herself in public, walking unaided with a newfound grace that many believed would never be possible for her. Her appearance has reignited conversations about body positivity, health transformations, and the pre-shows of fame, particularly for reality stars whose every move is scrutinized by millions. On Reddit and Twitter, fans debated whether Tammy's drastic new look could change the direction of 1000 LB Sisters entirely, with some speculating that the show may now focus on her life beyond survival, DV. NG into topics like relationships, personal independence, and even career opportunities outside of reality TV. While Tammy has not made a direct public statement about her surgery since the appearance, insiders revealed that she feels more comfortable than ever in her own skin, literally and figuratively. The Slaton family has been vocal about their pride in Tammy's progress, with sister Amy reportedly moved to tears when she first saw her after the surgery, describing the moment as like seeing a whole new person. Chris and Amanda, who have both been featured encouraging Tammy on the show, also expressed their happiness and relief, saying they never stopped believing she could get to this point, even when things looked bleak. What's especially remarkable is that Tammy's story serves as an inspiration not only to fans of the show but also to countless people facing similar struggles with obesity, body image, and self-worth. Health experts often emphasize that skin removal surgery isn't about vanity, it's about improving quality of life. By removing the excess folds of skin, patients often find freedom from chronic pain, rashes, and infections, as well as improved mobility that allows them to engage more fully in everyday activities. For Tammy, This means she can now pursue things she once only dreamed of, from traveling without assistance to possibly even participating in activities she never could before. The question now is what lies ahead for Tammy Slaton. With her new look already making waves online, many wonder whether she will take advantage of this momentum to expand her influence. Opportunities for brand partnerships, motivational speaking, or even writing a book about her journey could be on the horizon, particularly as more fans rally behind her as a symbol of resilience and transformation. TLC has yet to confirm whether a new season of 1000 LB Sisters will dive deep into the details of her surgery and recovery, but given the public's fascination, it seems inevitable. Tammy's story is far from over, but her rare public appearance has already cemented itself as a defining moment in reality TV history, a before and after reveal so powerful that it will likely be remembered for years. What began as a deeply personal health battle has now become a cultural milestone, proving that even the toughest journeys can lead to unimaginable transformations when perseverance, medical support, and personal determination align. As fans continue to celebrate her progress and cheer her on, one thing is certain: Tammy Slaton's new chapter is only just beginning, and if her recent public appearance is any indication, the best may still be yet to come. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.